Time now for First Alert Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
And we kick off our Wednesday with the 24-hour temperature cast. Most of us in the 60s this morning. I think most of us are going to get to 80 today. Increased clouds may have a little something to say about those temperatures. Overnight again tonight into tomorrow, we'll keep those numbers up in the 60s. The cloud cover is going to be the thing today, increasing already, going to get thicker throughout the day. There'll be some breaks where there's some blue in the sky too. It's not wall-to-wall overcast. But today, increasing clouds, increasing humidity, that's the big story. How about our temperatures? I see a lot of 61s for Quincy, for Thomasville, for Moultrie, 62 degrees in Perry and in Tallahassee, also 62 in Bainbridge and at Camilla. So yeah, a lot of numbers up over 60. That breeze is coming in from the south and southeast, and it's enough where you know it's there, also enough to stir things up where the fog is not getting out of control. Most visibility is up near 10 miles, we'll take it. And it does look like that's the way it should play out this morning. There is energy to our west. It's a different setup this time compared to the previous couple of rounds of showers and storms we were anticipating, because this time the energy is moving more north while the boundary moves east. And when that energy sort of separates from the main boundary, it makes it harder for those bigger showers to stay more organized. There will be some big showers across parts of the deep south today. There was some yesterday, but I think by the time all that gets here, that chance gets smaller and smaller. Doesn't mean we couldn't get a decent thunderstorm tomorrow, but I think more of our area is going to get some scattered showers, maybe a downpour or two, but it's not a region-wide, everybody gets soaked kind of rain, and it's not an all-day, nonstop sog fest. So a different setup this time than the previous ones. Now, there are some outlooks to our west for some big weather today and even tomorrow, but I think our chance is going to be in that marginal risk, which means we're not expecting dangerous weather. It could happen, but we're not expecting. There are a few ingredients in place, but they're not lining up super well, so the concern level is very low. It's just not zero. Please keep checking in with us. We'll have updates. Today on the Gulf, small crafts, be advised, getting a little more breezy. Winds out of the southeast and south 10 to 20, seas 3 to 5 feet, and a moderate chop in the protected waters. 50s, 60s this morning, sunrise time 7:12. We'll slowly start to introduce some small rain chances this afternoon, increase the clouds, likely going to see some low 80s for highs. Tonight, it's back in the low 60s, a little bit more patchy fog. The rain chances start to tick up a little bit more. We're looking west early tomorrow. I do think there'll be some scattered showers, and I can't rule out a thunderstorm or two, but it's not the same as the past couple of waves of showers and storms we've had to deal with. And that means not everybody gets wet. I don't expect inches upon inches worth of rain and not widespread dangerous stuff. Now, my concern is actually going to be for the upcoming holiday weekend, because it looks like it's going to be a little bit more unsettled. That look and feel like it could be raining more than it does, more clouds than clear. I think that's going to be the setup all Easter weekend long.